Hello everyone, this is Akanksha from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today I am going to discuss about the topic application of project management in production. This presentation will explore the critical role of project management in optimizing production processes. We will cover key elements, planning, resource allocation and continuous improvement to drive operational excellence. Introduction to project management. The first one is the defining project management, systematic approach to planning, executing, and controlling projects. The second one is the key principles. It includes scope, time, cost, quality, risk, resources, stakeholders. And the third one is project life cycle, initiation, planning, execution, and monitoring. Importance of project management in production, operational efficiency, risk mitigation, and continuous improvement. Streamline workflows, reduce waste, and optimize resources. Risk mitigation includes proactive identification and management of production risks. The third one is continuous improvement, data-driven decision making, and iterative process enhancement. Key elements of project management. The first one is scope management, resource management, and time management. Scope management includes it defines the project objectives and deliverables, and the time management includes develop realistic schedules and milestones. The third one is the resource management, allocate and optimize personnel equipments. The next is project planning and scheduling. Project planning is the process of defining the goals, scope, and objectives of a project, while project scheduling is the process of establishing timelines and task sequences to ensure the project is executed efficiently. Here are some steps for project planning. Define goals and objectives, set success matrices, clarify stakeholders and rules, set a budget, align on milestones, deliverables, and dependencies, outline a timeline and schedule, share a communication plan. Some steps for project scheduling. Use the critical path method CPM to identify the most important tasks, the dependencies, and timeline for completion. Convert the project action plans into an operating timetable. A project plan is a higher level document that informs the project schedule. The project plan usually includes scope, cost, and overall time. The project schedules includes all the milestones and tasks necessary to deliver the project in an established sequence. It includes work breakdown structure to decompose project into manageable tasks. And next one is the critical path analysis. It identifies the dependencies and maximize productivity. And next one is the Gantt charts. It includes visualized schedules, timelines, and milestones. The next is the resource allocation and optimization. Resource allocation and optimization is the process of using an organization's resources to achieve business goals while maximizing efficiency. It involves analyzing, planning, and distributing resources to achieve optimal performances. Resource allocation and optimization can help improve productivity, reduce costs, and give an organization a competitive advantage. It is a critical part of modern business management, especially in human resources. Here are some resource allocation and optimization techniques. The first one is resource leveling. Adjust the start and finish dates of a project to ensure it's completed with the available resources. This helps balance resource demand and availability and prevents team burnout. Next one is resource smoothing. Optimizes resource allocation within set limits to promote efficient resource use and balance workloads. This can help avoid resource peaks and valleys and prevent bottlenecks. The next is reverse resource allocation. This is useful for projects with a fixed deadline or that require specialized resources on specific dates. Managers schedule resources for critical tasks first to ensure specialized resources are available as planned. It, the workforce, it aligns skills and availability to production needs, and then is equipment, it ensures equipment readiness and maintenance schedules. The materials includes optimize inventory, logistics, and supply chain. The first one is identifying risks, and the second one is analyze risk, and the third one is mitigate risks. Risk management is a broader process that includes risk mitigation, which is a specific strategy to reduce the likelihood of risks occurring and minimize their impact. The risk management is the process of identifying, analyzing, and addressing risks. This includes planning for and anticipating risks. Risk mitigation is a strategy that involves identifying risks and developing a plan to manage or eliminate them. This includes taking actions to reduce the probability of risks occurring and minimize their impact. Risk mitigation is an important part of any business strategy, especially when a business faces outside risks that it has less control of. It's a critical part of project management or corporate strategic planning. Identifying risk includes proactively assess potential issues. Analyzing risk is understand likelihood and impact, mitigate risks to develop contingency plans and controls. Monitoring, controlling, and continuous improvement. Monitor process, it tracks KPIs and production matrices. Analyze deviations. Identify root causes and bottlenecks. The next is implement improvements. Optimize process and implement correctiveness. So the conclusion and takeaways. Three core principles, that is scope, time, cost, the food, and four key elements: planning, resources, risk, monitoring, and the one continuous improvement driving operations.